Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Google AgentSpace. This is an innovative platform designed to foster collaboration and communication within teams. Developed by Google, it aims to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Whether you're a small business, a large corporation, or a remote team, AgentSpace has features tailored to your needs. Let's explore what this platform has to offer. Google Agent Space is packed with features to enhance team collaboration. It provides shared workspaces, allowing teams to collaborate on projects in real time. It integrates with Google Workspace, enabling seamless access to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Agent Space also supports video conferencing, making remote meetings more efficient. Furthermore, it offers powerful search capabilities and robust security features to protect your data. Google Agent Space offers competitive pricing that scales with your needs. There's a free tier available for small teams or individual users. For larger teams and businesses, there are premium plans that offer additional features and capabilities. Pricing details can be found on the Google Agent Space website. Remember to consider the return on investment, as this platform can significantly enhance team productivity. Google Agent Space is ideal for various use cases. It's perfect for remote teams, allowing them to collaborate and communicate effectively despite geographical distances. It's also great for project management with its shared workspaces and integration with Google Workspace tools. Businesses that handle sensitive data can also benefit from its robust security features. And with its powerful search capabilities, it's excellent for organizations that deal with large amounts of information. There are many advantages to using Google Agent Space. The seamless integration with Google Workspace tools simplifies workflows. Its shared workspaces foster collaboration and enhance productivity. The platform's robust security features protect your data, providing peace of mind. And with its competitive pricing, it offers great value for money. These benefits make Google Agent Space an attractive option for teams of all sizes. Despite its many advantages, Google Agent Space has some limitations. It's heavily reliant on Google Workspace, which might not appeal to those who prefer other productivity tools. Some users might find the platform's interface a bit complex initially, and while it offers robust security features, it's not immune to potential cyber threats. These are important considerations when deciding whether Google Agent Space is the right fit for your team. In conclusion, Google Agent Space is a powerful platform for team collaboration. It offers a range of features designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. While it has some limitations, its advantages generally outweigh them. The platform's competitive pricing and integration with Google Workspace tools make it a compelling option for businesses of all sizes. As always, it's important to consider your specific needs when choosing a collaboration platform. Let's recap what we've covered. Google Agent Space is a collaboration platform with features like shared workspaces, Google Workspace integration, and robust security. It's ideal for remote teams, project management, and organizations that handle sensitive data. While it has some limitations, its benefits make it a strong contender in the collaboration tool market. And with competitive pricing, it offers great value for money. That concludes our analysis of Google Agent Space. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision about whether this platform is right for your team. Remember, the best collaboration tool is one that meets your specific needs and enhances your productivity. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses like this one. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content.